Mutirang ba kajala Assam himanta biswasar maul ong ba kan dan kecing khyllie ASEAN yang Memorandum of Understanding MoU balai soi hapadeng kemegalia bat Assam mat kasorkar India men hak aknai trik ber arjar kwar ban pynbeit yopu sam lokin riutli ki caka balai itu kum ki caka berjing kan an haba juba bi kecing khyllie nak lat thai ko bor babon nak no nong kim kwa bandan sekajala Assam ko bapun pau hadin kecing soi MoU usar maul ong ba kadan kecing dawa nak liang persya ha Assam man peit biang handre ladep juba haying dorban bahkan dan kecing khyllie yang kini kebenta ulo ong basan riutli ki cakai kena kaput ki bidang sateng bniah pynbeit onsa sedang kau bana jiliu ni naitung haba khyllie ba ki brio kaput kimhun ulo ong ba omla ban penhulut ya baro henry kari India kadai ban sunghun.
As you know, we have some kind of border dispute in 12 sites between Assam and Meghalaya. Now, Assam and Meghalaya, in presence of Union Home Minister, has signed a memorandum of understanding, basically for solution of 6 disputed sites. So now Survey of India is working. According to our memorandum of understanding, they will put border pillar, and thereafter the entire agreement will be formalized. However, there are 6 other disputes to be resolved, and we hope to start discussion on that other 6 also sometime around June and July. I think now that agreement has sealed and signed. There is a demand from Assam opposition also to revisit. But I have answered in the assembly that after all these are lands belongs to India. As a brothers, as a sisters, we have signed an agreement. We have come to a closure so far as that 6 site is concerned. So we should not reopen the issue. You cannot have happy out of every agreement. Only things that countries should be happy. Always there will be individual who will be unhappy, but nation should be happy. That should be our motto. I don't want to comment anything on the opposition in Meghalaya side, because this is a duty of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to handle any congratulation or any criticism. But so far as Assam is concerned, we have replied all the criticism in assembly, and by and large Assam civil society is backing the government completely. The second 6 sites, out of 6, at least 3-4 are very toughly contested area. So now we have created a goodwill among both the states, and basically banking on that goodwill, probably we can start working on. But how and when it will end, this is difficult to predict as of now. I mean, you see that second phase is most complicated and most contested area, because it has lumpy, it has block 1, block 2. However, we have created a goodwill among the states. Now at least both the government and citizen of Assam and Meghalaya are not talking in terms of conflict, they are talking in terms of resolution of conflict. So banking on the gains, whatever we have in the first phase, we'll start dialogue for the second phase, and I am confident that at some point of time we'll have resolution on that 6 also. But when and how soon, how far, it will be difficult to answer at this stage.